Design themes. 3 things to consider from a developer's perspective. Okay, so the difficulty is maintaining a consistent theme throughout the development. Let me explain how you can accomplish this. 1. Have a consistent theme from your exterior to your interior. So let's say you have a grey scheme going outside. Try to bring that inside somehow. So you might have a grey stone splashback in the kitchen, or you have grey tiles in the bathroom. You need something to link the two. 2. Don't be tempted by shiny objects. Now, this is hard. This is where your theme can go off the rails. Let's say your theme is the Hamptons, but you see this beautiful black fan and you just have to buy it. Now, the issue with this is, on its own, that fan looks fantastic. But you have to consider the overall picture. How does it go with the rest of the house? 3. Go for neutral colors when in doubt. So let's say you're struggling to visualize how the floors will work with the kitchen and the joinery. What I'd suggest here is to keep the larger surface areas a neutral color and add color through smaller areas. So for example, go for a white kitchen and add color through the stone splashback or the joinery in the TV unit.